Hangzhou Huafa Industrial Company Limited, founded in 1994, is a manufacturer who is specialized in producing glass doors, PVC profiles, and other spare parts for refrigerator, freezer, cooler, supermarket island cabinets, etc. Our glass doors, PVC profiles, etc. have been selling to European, South America, North America, Southeast Asia, Africa, and all over the world. With an area of 21,000 square meters, its traffic is very convenient. With a unique technical advantage on the development of refrigeration glass doors, we have got lots of patents on the structural design of the door body. We sincerely invite all the worldwide friends to visit us anytime.